Meaning of Grover Cleveland.
Grover Cleveland.
Grover Cleveland.
Grover Cleveland.
Grover Cleveland. Grover Cleveland was the 22nd and 24th President of the United States, serving as president from 1885 to 1889 and again from 1893 to 1897. He is the only president in American history to serve 2 non-consecutive terms in office. During his presidency, Cleveland focused on civil service reform, lowering tariffs, and reducing government spending. He also signed into law the Interstate Commerce Act and the Dawes Act, which aimed to assimilate Native Americans into American society. Overall, Cleveland's legacy as president is one of a committed reformer and advocate for government accountability and efficiency.